today's brief, we want to see a look
inspired by your favourite song.
Your time starts now.
Next week, the finalists will be judged on their portfolio of work across all 8 weeks.
The song that I'm doing is by Cristina Aguilera, and it's called Fighter. When bad things have happened in my life, it's kind of just been a song that would always relate to the situation. So my look is going to be quite expressive with regards to how the song makes me feel and the emotions I feel whilst listening to the song.
What he's drawing is a square lip. Is that enough for the semi-finals? He really disappointed me yesterday. So today, he really has to deliver.
I'm not going to add any more elements, but other than the glossy lip, but that'll have to be done in the last minute because it's going to be quite glossy, almost like it looks like it's wet and it's going to drip. So I need to make sure it's on at the last minute, take my model through, photographed, and then it can drip everywhere then.
You have 2 minutes remaining. Brushes down. Ellis, please step forward. Well, you've certainly risen to the challenge. I think you've created an incredible image. So from my point of view, you fulfilled the brief.
This is so stunning. There's something really quite sexy about this. But when you paint something white, you're making a rod for your own back if it's not perfect. And when we look at the lip, there's an issue there with roundness. It has to be perfect. Saying that, this is an incredible image. Well done.
Thank you.
MUAs. I just want to say to all of you that the power and talent in this room that I've seen today is absolutely outstanding. Thank you. Thank you.